Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. Before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, share the videos. We definitely appreciate that. So here's the thing, when it comes down to motovlogging, there is a couple things that is concerning to me. And the first one is that it may take the fun out of motovlogging and or motovlog, or actually not motovlog, like actually writing. And it's something that I'm very careful about because this channel specifically is not a channel that I want to do for, I guess, in a way to make it big or anything like that. I just want to have a good time. I just want to ride my bike, record some of the things. I do have my main channel where I'm constantly working on it, but this channel, I just want to have a great time. But I want to be able to bring some good footage and kind of show it to you guys and things like that. And when it comes to motovlog, obviously I got that camera in my face, and I'm about to go through this roundabout that we have close to my house. There's a couple of them all over US 1. I don't know why, but they are there. But again, I got that camera in my face. But the problem is that when I'm riding, if I want to record any different things, right, like a different view or something like that, I just can't do it because I have to stop the bike and be able to set up the camera, and that could be kind of annoying if you ask me. I want to be able to just ride, I want to be able to enjoy, and I want to be able to just change the views or show you other views. And obviously I only have 2 cameras. If you have multiple cameras, you could set it up different way, but then again, it becomes a nightmare to be able to edit that. So I see that a lot of guys have this GoPro flex mount. I think it's called a GoPro Jaws. And I bought one with the purpose of see how it works out, to see if I could just use it for multiple different applications and show you different kind of views. And I got it. And I'm going to tell you, I've done a couple videos with it. It seems pretty cool if you ask me. So essentially, I could put it in my bars, and I could put it in my crash bars. I mean, all over the bike. As long as you could clamp it, you could just clamp it, and then you could just move the camera. Now, obviously, be really careful while you're doing this. You're still driving. You don't want to get yourself in a car accident. But again, if I want to take a different view, like a front-facing view, it's easy to do. If I want to like rotate the camera and put it towards me, again, it's easy to do as well. You could just do all kind of different things. You could put it in your crutch bar, like I say, and it gives you a different view. And again, it's supposed to make the video more entertaining, I guess more appealing to some of you guys that are watching the videos and all that. Now, the construction seems about just to be plastic. I got the one from GoPro. I paid a lot more money. I don't remember how much it was, maybe like $40+. There's a lot of other ones in the community or in the Amazon community. When you click flex clamp or something like that for GoPro, you're going to see tons of it. Now, I don't know how good those, cheaper ones are. I really don't know. I just went with the GoPro because, you know what? I just wanted to make sure that it was good and not give me any issues. Does that mean that it's going to be good and not give me any issues? I don't know. As far as I know, it may be Chinese as well, and it may be the same one, just as the same as some of the cheap one that you see in the market. So I don't know. So far, I've been using it for several different rides, and it seems to do great, and it seems to give me that ability where I can just unclamp it, record a portion as I'm riding, and clamp it back in there as well. So again, it looks to me like it's plastic. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out, and if you guys want to get some more information and things like that. But as far as I see, it looks like it's constructed really, really nice. It looks like it's good material. Obviously, it's plastic. It's supposed to work with all GoPros outside, you know, out there. And again, having that clamp allows you to, you know, use your imagination, guys. Where you want to put it, how you want to put it. To me, it's just very, very simple. Again, you could use it multiple different ways for motorcycle applications. I think it's fantastic. I really do think it's just fantastic. So in this video, I'm kind of doing it right, kind of show you different views, I guess, to kind of give you an idea if it's going to be good, if it's going to be bad, if you're going to enjoy it, or if you're not going to enjoy it. So you're going to see me doing some hard turns of the cameras, if you want to put it that way. But I just wanted to give you an idea how would that work. Obviously, when you edit the video, you want to cut those things out of the way so it's not part of your video, because obviously nobody wants to see you rotating a camera. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to do it that way. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I'm riding a 2005 Road King, you know, Harley Davidson, obviously. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to see the bike shaking or the footage shaking a little bit. I'm pretty sure that some of the new GoPros, you won't have that issue, because I've seen some guys that use it and the footage is just fantastic. You know, GoPro 7s and things like that. Something above that. So check out, or make sure you got the right camera for it. I'm using a GoPro 4 or Hero 4. Obviously, it's a great camera still. You guys see the footage. It's pretty good. But nevertheless, we need to understand that it's old technologies. I mean, it's older, and the whole stabilization of the camera, it's just not good. It's just not good. Because I've seen some guys with newer GoPro, and you don't even see the thing shaking. I mean, it's just so nice and so gorgeous. But then again, I don't have a GoPro, you know, a new GoPro. That's what I got. I'm going to do with what I got. One thing that I could tell you, that if you're using this as a B-roll, obviously addition to your main roll, which will be the camera that you have in your helmet, it may work just fantastic. Anyways, what do you guys think? Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.